We have a floating chair. Let's go. Get on top of him. Get on top of him.
Wait, how do I get...
Vending machine.
Vending machine event. Let's go. No clip at vending.
Actually held back.
You're right. Because apparently blowing up the headmaster's flying machine sets you back in there.
Oh, do the flying machine again. Do it, do it, do it.
I blew it up last time, sorry.
Let us see what the fuck?
Wait,
Hey,
last
time I did this.
Skip it button, dada.
Go again?
Skip the button, dada.
There's A and B are next to each other. What the fuck?
Give me your best skip the button, dada.
E, F, G. Kleiner said go to roof. Everyone go to roof. Everyone go to roof. Everyone go to roof. Quick, quick. Kleiner said go to roof. Which roof? Which roof? School roof? School roof. Go to school roof, everyone. School roof. School roof. Come on, come on, come on. Event, event.
Is it event for real or?
Yes. It's an event on roof. Event on roof. I'm not even joking.
Wait, can I get the
Vending machine.
Vending machine event. Let's go. No clip at vending machine.
How do I get to the roof?
Ladder.
ladder.
On the side of the parking complex. Ladder on the side of the parking complex is on the school.
Fuck! I got on the wrong roof. It's not this roof, guys. Not this roof. Go back. Go back.
It's the lower roof. He's nailing it.
Like to make walks in the morning time, yeah, with my legs. And I was walking this morning, yeah, around here.
Oh my.
I can buy supplies also. Does anyone have an arsenal? Before you do anything crazy, let me leave more people up here. I will find stragglers. Everybody in the school. Everybody in the school. This is last call. I'm trying to find people in the school that don't know how to get there.
Imagine being. Oh wait, fuck! I'm gonna be.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Strongfield. Strongfield. Come on, roof, roof, roof. Strongfield, roof. Come on, Strongfield. Strongfield.
Be careful. If you're on the roof, you might be turned into a zombie.
What? Yeah.
I don't want to be a zombie.
Let's all agree to not go in the parking complex so we can stay on the roof. Let's all just stand on the corner of the roof. I'm standing here. And Talbot.
I just love the timing because you start talking about me and then I just start playing Doom.
And Talbot is the janitor.
Okay, what were we talking about, me? I have no idea what you were talking about. Weekly session.
You visit a gay strip club weekly.
Something about an Orlando nightclub or something?
No, the reason why my name is Tubby Puppy is because of domination.
I get it.
She had like huge
I'm sorry,
tits.
what did you... Dama what now? We're making buzzwords. This
A dom.
Gears of War. You're not a dom.
This isn't Gears of War, okay? Women can't have beards except for in Gears of War.
This ain't Gears of War.
Have you ever heard of the Resident Evil chick? She's fucking like 8 foot tall, huge tits.
9 foot, 5.
Well,
automatically
just like, to be honest,
just like pervert her to some extent. Like, isn't there already extensive porn about her? Even though the Resident Evil. Dude, she's in short.
I haven't seen a single article or freaking artifact of media related to Resident Evil 8 that was not somehow directly tied to Lady
Lady D. Say Lady D.
Yeah, Lady D.
Big, tall woman. Fucking birds are breaking the arsenal.
Who's strongest?
Protect the reforger, dude. Oh my god, a fucking pin.
Oh, this is gonna be a heyday for Shade.
We are all going to die.
That's fine, that's fine.
Dude, I just spent on a Desert Eagle. Relax.
How many claymores are there out here?
I'm not able to be killed by Shade because I'm.
Is it okay? Is it okay if I tell you all to build faster and then make it sound
We need more claymores.
Oh boy.
Nail it, nail it, nail it, nail it, nail it, nail it, nail it.
We need more claymores.
Aren't they just gonna rush the
Uh-oh!
Uh-oh. Oh shit, like out it's a hooker from Stubby's strip club. No! Ay, Asa Cornell, run.
Back, kill the hooker.
Run, you gotta juke Asa. You gotta juke, he knows your trajectory. Protect him, protect him. You gotta have unpredictable run
Get
patterns.
hooked. Don't get hooked.
Yeah, Asa.
Why are they going?
I will escort you. I will escort you from the skies.
Yo, why didn't they?
Push it. Go down.
Got you, bro.
Yo,
Pow,
drop
pow,
kill, shit,
pow,
drop
pow,
kill.
pow. Die, dude. This zombie won't die, dude.
Come on, strong kill.
Shade at all these places.
Oh shit! Look at the levitating fucking vending machine.
Nani?
Nani?
Oh my god, it's a magic vending machine, dude.
Nugget. Holy
Shade,
shit.
shade, 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 shade.
Shade is coming! Shade is coming!
Yo!
Shoot it! Holy shit! There's more zombies!
Shoot the couch! Please!
It's
The
dead.
shit inside isn't even nailed. What the fuck? Well, how does the shade not know?
I'm flashbanging him.
Not the claymore. Stop him! Corner him! Block him! Block him!
Surround him.
Get on top of him! Get on top of him! Get on top of him!
Block him off! Don't let me get to the claymore!
Yo, sledgehammer. Knock him off. Sledgehammer.
No, don't knock him off.
No, we got him! He's running.
Hit him off!
Oh, now he's trying to. Yeah.
Fucking trolled as the goddamn shade. It feels bad.
Okay, Butcher's still alive, I think. We need more claymores, Kleiner. We need more claymores.
Devourer.
Grab a broom.
We have a floating chair.
Grab a broom. The shade comes back. We knock him
Still
off.
hear me?
Yeah.
Is my mic?
Butcher!
I got him!
Hey!
Oh, man down.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Shoot the couch!
Okay, now broom him. I'm going to broom him.
Broom. Let's go.
Broom isn't working. What the heck? Nightmare! They had us back!
How is this? Okay. I'm just wondering how is this working?
Because we're awesome.
When are they gonna go levitating, dude? You know who
I'm gonna say, when are they gonna go Legion?
Yeah,
like,
Legion.
They wanna kill us, dude.
Hey, listen. If they go Legion, all we have to do is all make sure the
The what gun?
zombies go towards the turret.
Prometheum, okay. Well, we don't have that. So.
Prometheum or a slug rifle, whichever one.
Clean your house.
Did this shit just throw a desk at us?
I like my house like I like my women.
There's a devout! Ah! A devout! Ah!
Quick question.
Big wall! I don't
Save Bujo! Shoot the butcher's legs! Shoot the butcher's legs! Save Bujo!
Got it. Yeah, I'm coming. Wait for the hook.
Oh my god! Go,
I'm back. I'm ready.
What the?
Don't die, Devourer, don't die. I need you.
on the floor.
Dead. Yeah, let me know when you're ready to hit.
That's what I'm doing.
I was gonna wait underneath it.
just go from the top. Go fast zombie. They can't even hit you. We have.
What's what?
Hey, get that guy.
Nice, be up. She's too fast. I put the crate.
Okay, attack. Just look for me attacking, and you'll know which one. Just look for me attacking.
Oh, monster almost gone.
Oh, we're in from top. We're in from top. We're in from top. We're in from top. We're in from top.
Coming.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
No.
I need 2 more kills. What the fuck?
Oh shit, I didn't plan this out.
Yeah. It's another one running out.
Fucking bitch.
Can't hear you. Too busy being awesome right now and focusing.
Oh man.
Hold on. I'll talk to you in a second. Hold on. I just need to get 1 more kill.
Jump.
Okay, so what were we saying?
Bro, I got 9 brains. I got 9 brains.
Ah, so close.
I got him. Nice.
We gotta do that again. That was fun.
Alright guys, vote for high school.
So close to getting a kill.
Replay.
You thought you were about to get out of here. It's a fucking prop monster.
Oh shit. Kill it! Get on top of it and kill it!
Shit, that picked it up. Don't do it again.
Kill it!
Do not.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Kill it!
No.
Kill it! Kill it! Run away! No, don't stop him. Oh.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, rip. What the fuck? Rip. How do you do that?
I hit something and it exploded.